guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can share a playlist on Spotify to Twitter. So select the playlist you want to share. I'm just going to share this playlist, and to share, press on the three dots and press share. Then you are going to select Twitter, and then for instance you write like my playlist on Spotify. Then you're just going to press tweet. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!